So you're playing Apex Legends and suddenly it crashes without showing any error message, it just welcomes you into the desktop, right? Well, no worry, in this video I'll be trying my best to assist you to fix this issue. Hopefully it works. So be patient and watch this video until the end. First of all, you need to know why it's actually happening, why your Apex Legends keep crashing without showing any error message. There are 17 possible reasons your game is crashing. I will go through every single possible reasons and also with the solution. So increase your volume and listen carefully. There is no toxic word is used in this video. At number 1, your game may missing some important files. That may happen while a sudden interruption while you're updating your game. To fix this, simply open your Steam, right click on your Apex Legends, click on Properties, then click on the Install Files and from there verify all your game files. It will scan all the files. If there is any file missing, then it will download it by itself and it will be fixed. It may take some time. If you see an error message while verifying the files, then make sure to re-download the game again. Number 2. You may have your internet bandwidth or connection issue. To fix that, open your network and internet settings. From there, click on the advanced network setting. In there, click on more network adapter options. It actually depends what are you using, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. For me, it's Wi-Fi. Double click on it, go to properties and from there Internet Protocol version 4 and change the DNS server like I do and follow up with my methods. So here is 8.8.8 is Google's public DNS server that I'm using right now. And of course make sure to click on validate setting upon exit. Then press OK, close everything and open your Steam. From there, right click on Apex Legends, click on properties. In there you will see a launch option and from there your one should be empty, so you have to put this code in it. I just put the code in description, just copy it and paste it over there. It will reduce packet loss and network delay in the game. If you see any network issue after these changes, then make sure to reset your internet by going to the settings. Number 3. Your game may be detecting unusual or overlaying programs in the background and closing itself for security reason. Therefore, close all the background running apps. One of the most common app is Discord, which have the overlaying feature that may also cause problem to Apex. And for the NVIDIA user, we know that there is GeForce Experience, which is the overlaying feature. So close it. And also check your task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape. If there is a familiar software running in the background, then close it. Number 4. Your AntiChet is not installed properly. To repair it, open your Steam, then right click on your Apex Legends. In the Manage, there should be Browse Local Files. Click on that. It will take you to this folder. From there, go to Easy AntiChet folder and from there, open Easy AntiChet Setup. Then click on the repair service and click on finish. Number 5. Your antivirus may messing up with your game resources. To stop this, go to your Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. And here click on manage settings. Scroll down a little bit, you will see exclusions. Click on add or remove exclusion. Then add an exclusion folder. From there find your Apex Legends folder and add it. If you cannot find the folder manually, then open your Steam, right click on Apex Legends and from there manage, then browse local files. It will directly take you to the Apex Legends folder. Then click on the top and copy the folder path. Then go back to exclusion setting and from there add and same way to the top, paste the path you copied. Then click on the command to go one folder back and you will see Apex Legends folder. From there select it and add it to the list. It will stop your antivirus to mess up with the folder. Number 6. Maybe your graphic driver is out of date. To update it, go to Device Manager and click on Display Adapter, then double click on your graphic card, go to Driver tab and click on Update Driver. In here, select Search automatically for drivers. And I highly recommend NVIDIA user to use GeForce Experience to update their graphic driver. In number 7, maybe you did not update your Windows. To update your Windows, click on Windows Search and from there check for update, click on it, go there and check if there is any update. Well, it is very important to keep your Windows up to date. On number 8, your game service being suppressed or disconnecting while it processing. Actually, while investigating, I saw something that my game service being shut down and it timed out later due to Windows suppression. It took me more than 5 days to find out what is suppressing my game service. After all that rush and hard work, I find out this cute little setting called game mode causing this problem. It's supposed to make our game smoother, right? But it's suppressing our game resource in the background. So I recommend to put it off. In addition to this, there is a setting called graphics right below the game mode. Click on it, go there and check for Apex Legends and put it on high performance. Number 9. Your graphics settings in NVIDIA is not properly optimized. If you are not an NVIDIA user, then watch it and take some idea and change the graphics settings of your own graphic card. It can be AMD or Intel graphic. Anyway, here go to the NVIDIA control panel. You can also open it from here or here. So the interface will look like this. Put it on advanced 3D image settings and click on take me there. Follow up with all my settings. Image scaling off, ambient occlusion off, anisotropic filter application control, anti-aliasing FXAA off, anti-aliasing gamma correction on, anti-aliasing mode application control, anti-aliasing transparency off, background max frame rate off, CUDA GPU all, DRS factors off. About low latency, if you have a monitor with G-Sync, then you can put it on, otherwise I prefer it off. Max frame rate off, MFAA off, OpenGL GDI compatibility is auto, OpenGL rendering GPU auto select. Power management mode, I prefer the maximum performance. Preferred refresh rate is the highest available. And shader cache you can put manual, otherwise driver's default is fine. Texture filter and anisotropic is off. Texture filter negative LOD bias is allow. Texture filter quality, I prefer quality because I want a balanced performance. Otherwise you can choose up the maximum performance. Texture filtering trilinear optimization is on. Threaded optimization is auto. Triple buffering is off. Vertical sync, we don't care about it. I know you don't have virtual reality glasses, so we don't have to mess up with these settings. It's fine. Finally, apply this, you're good to go. At number 10, your system may contain lots of corrupted registry files. To easily fix them, go to your browser and search CCleaner. Click on the first one you see. You should be taken into this website and download this software, the free version. I think this is the best tool, the free version. You can optimize your PC. After installing the software, open it and click on registry. From here, scan for issues. It will dig out all the registry files which are having some issues. For me, I found it too because I have scanned it before. For some of you guys, it may be more than hundreds in number. Then click on review selected issues. And also make sure to take a backup. Otherwise, if you have any trouble with other programs, you can just revert it from here. Especially for the people who are using cracked softwares. After fixing all of the selected issues, click on close. Addition to this tool actually have a custom cleaning setting where you can actually clean up all the junk files within one click. And from the left menu you can see what you can delete, what you cannot. Like especially I'm keeping all my browser's data, so I'll just uncheck all of them and keep some of the custom over there. And scrolling all the way down, there is some Windows file too. You can just check all of these like I did, and then click on analyze. It will scan out all the junk files and the corrupted folders that you actually don't need it. And then click on run cleaner and it is done. Number 11, your TPM or trusted platform module are causing some issues or it's not working properly. To check it, press Windows R or you can search it from Windows search and open the run application. In here type tpm.msc. It will open up this window and it should be look like this. If there isn't any error, it will be written down there, and otherwise if it is blank, then your TPM have a serious problem. If there is any problem, then open the device manager. From there, click on the security device and then click on the trusted platform module and uninstall it. If you don't see this option, then your device don't have TPM, so you don't have to worry about it, especially for the people who are using Windows 10. After uninstalling TPM driver, then just restart your computer. Number 12, your DirectX is not updated, which is the major software to generate graphics. To check it, open run, then type there DXDIAG and press OK. It will open up this window and here you can see it's already scanning for update. Basically this software updates itself automatically, so you're just checking it to make sure that you are up to date. Number 13. Your system compatibility does not support the game. To fix this, go to the Apex Legends folder. Simply just go to Steam and right click on Apex Legends, and from there manage and go to browse local files. In the folder, search for R5 Apex application. Right click and go to properties. Click on the compatibility tab, and from there check on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, or otherwise you can try with Windows 7. It depends. Disable the full screen optimization check and also run this program as administrator. Then just press OK. Number 14. There are too much interrupting junk files that are causing your program to run properly. To clear it up, click on Windows search and type temp, and it will show up this option called delete temporary files. Click on it, it will take you to the setting and you will find temporary files. Click on that and it will scan for all the temporary files and also the update files. You actually don't need it, so make sure on checking downloads there and remove all the files. In some PC you may take lots of time to clear up these files. After that, press Windows R, then type Prefetch and press OK. Click continue to show up all the files, and from top to bottom delete all the files. These are the file of proof that which program ran before. Number 15. The processing power is being shared amongst other softwares. To make it limited, just simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape, or search Task Manager and open it. Now from the left menu, click on Startup App, or otherwise if you're using Windows 10, then click on Startup on the top. And from here, one by one, disable all the programs which runs in the background and take the processing power. After disabling them, just restart your computer, you'll see a slight difference. At number 16, your in-game graphics is not supporting your GPU, so you have to optimize it. To optimize it, go to your settings and go to the video tab and copy with all of my settings you can see here. I'll just slightly scroll down, you can just see them and copy every single of them. Don't question about VSync, I just put it on triple buffered for a stable FPS. And you can also reduce more if you want. I just put it is an optimum because of my graphic card have 8 GB VRAM, so that's why I just put it like this. You can put it more low if you face any problem. So these last 4 settings you can just experiment with them, but I prefer the model detail to high so that I can clearly see opponents. So that's what it for in-game settings. Now hop into a game and check the differences. Otherwise if you want you can lower the graphics more. So guys, these are the all tweaks and troubleshoot you can do to fix your game. It worked for me, and let me know in the comment section if it is working for you too. And if you're facing other type of problem in the game or problem with graphics, you can just join my Discord server and ask me there personally. I can just watch it, what is actually happening, and troubleshoot it. Well, after all these settings and stuff, if your game is still crashing like before, then there is a last option you can just do. At number 17, your internet service provider are causing this problem by reducing the overall bandwidth from other server and also limiting the accessibility to the countrywide server. And that's what your only internet service provider can do. So you can just call and ask them to increase the bandwidth and also see any issue they're facing with the server you are connected with. So that was all 17 solutions you can do to fix your Apex from crashing. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and also if you like this video then make sure to subscribe my channel and support me guys. I took like more than 2 weeks to find out all the solutions, and if you respect hard work then make sure to subscribe my channel. It will be a great help for me. And people who have already subscribed and supporting me, I love you guys and thank you for watching this video until the end. By this time, take care and see you soon in my next video. Goodbye.